Mansi, we just had a discussion with students about handling fears. Then you said controllable fears and uncontrollable fears. When it comes to controllable aspects of the fear, you're talking about quantification.
Yeah.
So can you explain it in detail for the benefit of other students? Yeah.
So for example, this is one sheet and we have like 15 topics and maybe today's agenda is this 15 topics, right? So from this, the first thing that needs to be done is, as we are in the revision phase, you have to put markings. Then marking should not be right and wrong. The marking should be a slanting line, a sleeping line, or anything that's not related to right and wrong. Why? Because here we are just quantifying that what we know, what we somewhat know, and what we don't know at all. So maybe see color codings are used for that particular thing. But now this is what we understand of what we know and we don't know. But throughout the day we have to go through these topics, right? Now the next thing should be that you, in this 15 topics, if I put this as 100% for example, and if I've only completed say 4 topics, so 15 means if I've completed 4 topics right now, so you can say that maybe I've completed what, from 100% I'm on 25%,
yeah.
right? So if I see that okay, 4 chapters I have completed, this is a very big achievement for me. But if I see only 25% is completed from the 100, then this is the right kind of quantification that I'm doing. So one particular thing that I will do in this is, okay, what is it that I don't know? And I'm getting into the loop, and how much percentage is that of the whole thing that I know. Right? So maybe it is just, so let's say 4 and 15. These are the 2 topics that I don't know, which is hardly 5 to 10%, right? So when you are quantifying this in a way of percentage, you obviously know how much of this subject is there in your head.
Right.
And also it gives you an understanding of throughout the day, if my target is 100, how much time am I going to put down to each and reach my 100?
Yeah.
The whole target is reaching 100 by any cost. And when this percentage turns up, so now I've done, because I know I've done 25%, okay, next half I'm going to do the 9. So I automatically reach my 60% of the goal.
Right.
But if it is not percentage wise and it is only marked in this way and there is a lot of completed, not completed, it will give you a lot of stress.
Right.
In what ways? Because you're reading it. That okay, not completed, not completed.
Completed,
not
yeah,
completed.
yeah.
You're saying yourself, this is not completed. So instead of that, if you have a coding system, it will just tell you, okay, I know, I don't know,
Okay.
and I know somewhat. Then completed, not completed,
Then,
need
yeah.
to be done. So when I say, okay, I know, zarurat nahi hai. I don't know, oh, I need to know. And when I somewhat know, okay, what needs to be?
So even the words also matter.
It does
Okay,
matter a lot because it is taking, you tell me, concept is full of words, right?
Yeah, right.
So when are you understanding the concept? When you're reading it. And this is also something that you're reading. And at the time of exams, when you're 6 days, you don't have time to process all this.
Yes.
It takes a toll on your brains. So use color codings and also use markings. That will just give you a productive insight into it.
Perfect. Helpful. Thank you.
Markings, you mean percentages, right? When you say markings.
Both type of marking. So in this whole paper, first marking will be what I know and what I don't know. Now maybe this is my 15. Can I mark on this?
Yeah, please.
So maybe this is my 15. Okay, so I say okay, I mark this as 10, 10, this as 10, maybe this, like that. So okay, I'm marking. I have completed 2 topics from 6 to 9 p.m. How much have I completed? Only 10%. But if
So this is
somebody
the
asks me,
total weightage of the daily target to be done.
Exactly, and this should be given same to all the students.
I
Like this
understand.
10% should be given by you.
Okay.
So when a student says, "Arey, my only 10% is within 6 to 9,"
Marking
you know
system should be given by
you people.
Okay. It's our thing to do. Okay, understood.
So if this is same for the student now, when you will have a chart, you will not bother which topic is in. Okay, which 10% did you do? Which is remaining? Or okay, you've done 60%. Show me what is the next. So this will help mentors also.
It's like a whole new coding system which we are adding to the existing thing. Yeah, understood.
You need to add